美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
这位置有人坐吗 ？Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
没有，请便。No, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
What day is today?
What day is today?
今天星期几 ？What day is today?
What day is today?
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
星期天 It's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Are you in line?
Are you in line?
你在排队吗 ？Are you in line?
Are you in line?
Yeah, I'm in line.
Yeah, I'm in line.
是的，我在排队。Yeah, I'm in line.
Yeah, I'm in line.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
你会说英语吗 ？Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
A little.
A little.
会一点。A little.
A little.
When do you get off work?
When do you get off work?
你几点下班 ？When do you get off work?
When do you get off work?
I get off work at 5:00.
I get off work at 5:00.
我5点下班。I get off work at 5:00.
I get off work at 5:00.
Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
洗手间在哪里 ？Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
Over there.
Over there.
就在那里。Over there.
Over there.
May I come in?
May I come in?
我可以进来吗 ？May I come in?
May I come in?
Come in, please.
Come in, please.
请进。Come in, please.
Come in, please.
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
不好意思，我迟到了。Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
没关系，别放在心上。Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
I will be 5 minutes late.
I will be 5 minutes late.
我会迟到5分钟。I will be 5 minutes late.
I will be 5 minutes late.
Take your time.
Take your time.
不着急，你慢慢来。Take your time.
Take your time.
Anybody home?
Anybody home?
有人在家吗 ？Anybody home?
Anybody home?
Yes, come on in.
Yes, come on in.
有，请进。Yes, come on in.
Yes, come on in.
Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
喝点什么 ？Anything to drink?
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Just water, please.
水就好了，谢谢。Just water, please.
Just water, please.
How was your day?
How was your day?
今天过得怎么样 ？How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good.
It was good.
很棒啊。It was good.
It was good.
What's new?
What's new?
最近好吗 ？What's new?
What's new?
Not much. You?
Not much. You?
没什么，你呢 ？Not much. You?
Not much. You?
You're looking good.
You're looking good.
你看起来不错。You're looking good.
You're looking good.
Really? Thank you.
Really? Thank you.
是吗？谢谢。Really? Thank you.
Really? Thank you.
Have we met before?
Have we met before?
我们以前见过吗 ？Have we met before?
Have we met before?
No, I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
我想没有吧。No, I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
你是哪里人 ？Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from China.
I'm from China.
我来自中国。I'm from China.
I'm from China.
How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
你住在这里多久了 ？How long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
I've been here for 2 years.
I've been here for 2 years.
我在这里2年了。I've been here for 2 years.
I've been here for 2 years.
I've heard so much about you.
I've heard so much about you.
久仰大名。I've heard so much about you.
I've heard so much about you.
Only good things, I hope.
Only good things, I hope.
希望你听到的都是我的好话。Only good things, I hope.
Only good things, I hope.
How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
今天天气怎么样 How's the weather today?
How's the weather today?
It's hot today.
It's hot today.
今天真热。It's hot today.
It's hot today.
What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
温度多少度？ What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
It's 30 degrees Celsius.
It's 30 degrees Celsius.
现在是30度。It's 30 degrees Celsius.
It's 30 degrees Celsius.
Do you work out?
Do you work out?
你健身吗？ Do you work out?
Do you work out?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Yes, I go to the gym.
是的，我经常去健身房。Yes, I go to the gym.
Yes, I go to the gym.
Are you on a diet?
Are you on a diet?
你在节食吗？ Are you on a diet?
Are you on a diet?
Yes, I'm on a diet.
Yes, I'm on a diet.
是的，我在减肥。Yes, I'm on a diet.
Yes, I'm on a diet.
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
你有养宠物吗？ Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Yes, I have a cat.
有，我有一只猫。Yes, I have a cat.
Yes, I have a cat.
What sports do you play?
What sports do you play?
你玩什么运动吗？ What sports do you play?
What sports do you play?
Swimming is my favorite.
Swimming is my favorite.
我最喜欢游泳。Swimming is my favorite.
Swimming is my favorite.
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
你会游泳吗？ Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Yes, I can swim.
是的，我会游泳。Yes, I can swim.
Yes, I can swim.